Have you ever wondered how your dog sees the world? Is it true that dogs only see in black and white? The answer, as we'll soon discover, is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Today, we're going to bust some myths and understand the fascinating science behind a dog's vision. Join me as we journey into the captivating realm of canine senses, exploring the world through their eyes and uncovering the remarkable ways they perceive their surroundings. To truly comprehend how our canine companions perceive color, we must delve into the fascinating world of photoreceptor cells, the tiny sensors in the eye responsible for detecting light and color. These photoreceptor cells are divided into rods and cones. Rods are more sensitive to light and are crucial for night vision, while cones are responsible for color vision and function best in bright light. You see, within our eyes, we possess 3 types of cones, granting us the ability to perceive a vibrant spectrum of colors. These cones are sensitive to different wavelengths of light: short, blue, medium, green, and long, red. This trichromatic vision allows us to see a wide array of colors by combining the input from these 3 types of cones. Dogs, on the other hand, possess only 2 types of cones. Their cones are sensitive to blue and yellow wavelengths, but they lack the 3rd type that detects red. This means their color vision is more limited compared to ours. This difference in cone types means that dogs see the world differently than we do. While humans can distinguish a rich tapestry of colors, dogs experience a more muted palette. Their dichromatic vision is akin to a human with red-green color blindness. They are dichromatic, which allows them to see shades of blue and yellow. These colors stand out vividly to them, making blue and yellow toys particularly appealing. However, their perception of other colors is not as distinct, but the colors red and green are more elusive, often appearing as shades of gray or brown. This is because their eyes lack the red-sensitive cones that humans have, making it difficult for them to differentiate between these colors. Imagine a world where lush green grass might appear as a field of pale yellow or a vibrant red toy blends into the background. This altered perception can affect how dogs interact with their environment, from playing fetch to navigating through different terrains. This difference in color perception is key to understanding how dogs experience the world around them. By recognizing these differences, we can better cater to their needs, whether it's choosing toys that stand out to them or understanding their behavior in various settings. Appreciating the unique way dogs see the world helps us forge a deeper bond with our furry friends. Imagine gazing upon a field of vibrant wildflowers, a kaleidoscope of colors bursting forth in every direction. Now picture that same field through the eyes of your canine companion. The reds and greens that appear so vivid to us might appear muted, less distinct. To illustrate this difference, let's compare 2 images side by side. The first image showcases the world as we humans see it, with our trichromatic vision. The second image reveals the world through a dog's eyes, their dichromatic vision painting a slightly different picture. Notice how some colors, particularly reds and greens, appear less vibrant, more subdued. This difference in color perception highlights the fascinating divergence in how humans and dogs experience the visual world. While dogs may not experience the world in the same vibrant hues as we do, their sensory repertoire extends far beyond color perception. Unlike humans, who rely heavily on their sense of sight, dogs have developed an intricate array of senses that allow them to interact with their environment in unique and fascinating ways. Their world is a tapestry woven from scents, sounds, and subtle movements that we can scarcely imagine. In fact, they possess other remarkable senses that more than compensate for their limited color vision. Their acute hearing, for instance, allows them to detect frequencies and sounds that are far beyond the range of human hearing. This ability is not just a quirk of nature, but a vital tool for communication and survival. One of their most impressive adaptations is their superior night vision, allowing them to navigate the world in low-light conditions with remarkable clarity. This ability is particularly useful for dogs that are active during dawn and dusk, times when light levels are low but activity levels are high. This enhanced night vision stems from a higher concentration of rod cells in their eyes, specialized photoreceptors that excel in detecting light and movement in low-light conditions. These rod cells are more sensitive to light than the cone cells that detect color, giving dogs an edge when it comes to seeing in the dark. But their sensory prowess doesn't end there. Dogs are also equipped with an extraordinary sense of smell, which is arguably their most powerful sense. Their noses are packed with up to 300 million olfactory receptors, compared to a human's mere 6 million. This allows them to detect even the faintest of scents, making them excellent trackers and searchers. Dogs also possess an uncanny ability to detect movement and discern shapes from afar, surpassing our own capabilities in this regard. Their eyes are specially adapted to pick up on motion, which is crucial for spotting potential prey or threats from a distance. Their visual acuity is finely tuned to perceive even the slightest flicker of motion, a crucial adaptation for both hunting and survival. This heightened sensitivity to movement allows them to react quickly to changes in their environment, whether it's a rustling leaf or a darting squirrel. And let's not forget their exceptional sense of smell and hearing, senses so acute that they can detect scents and sounds imperceptible to us humans. Their ears can pick up frequencies ranging from 40 Hz to 60,000 Hz, allowing them to hear things that are completely inaudible to us. This symphony of senses works in concert, painting a rich and detailed picture of their surroundings, compensating for their limited color vision in extraordinary ways. Each sense complements the others, creating a multi-dimensional experience that is both intricate and highly effective. Whether they're tracking a scent, listening for distant sounds, or watching for subtle movements, dogs navigate their world with a sensory toolkit that is nothing short of remarkable. Now that we've explored the science behind a dog's vision, let's delve deeper into how these unique visual capabilities manifest in their daily lives. Imagine your dog at home, surrounded by a variety of toys. You might notice that they often choose certain toys over others. Have you ever noticed your dog gravitating towards blue or yellow toys, seemingly less interested in those painted in shades of red or green? This isn't a random preference. It actually stems from their dichromatic vision, which makes blue and yellow stand out more vividly to them. Unlike humans who have trichromatic vision and can see a full spectrum of colors, dogs see the world in a more limited palette. Their vision is particularly attuned to contrast between blue and yellow, which stand out against the greens and browns of their natural environment. Their world, while different from ours, is no less vibrant. It's filled with a rich tapestry of scents, sounds, and movements that shape their perception. Dogs rely heavily on their other senses to navigate and understand their surroundings. Their sense of smell is particularly powerful, allowing them to detect scents that are imperceptible to humans. Consider their remarkable ability to recognize their beloved humans, even from a distance. This isn't just about sight, it's a combination of sensory inputs. While we might rely on facial features and clothing to identify someone, dogs use a more holistic approach. They rely on a combination of factors: our unique scent, our distinct gait, and even the way we move. This multi-sensory approach allows them to recognize us quickly and accurately, even in a crowd or from a distance. Their world is a sensory tapestry woven from threads of smell, sound, and motion. Each thread contributes to a rich and nuanced understanding of their surroundings, making their perception of the world unique and fascinating. So, the next time you see your dog exploring their environment, remember that they are experiencing a world that is just as rich and complex as ours, albeit in different ways. So, do dogs see in black and white? The answer, as we've discovered, is a resounding no. Dogs see the world in a spectrum of color, albeit a different one than our own. Their dichromatic vision, while limiting their perception of certain hues, is but one facet of their sensory experience. They compensate for this difference with their exceptional night vision, their ability to detect movement with remarkable precision, and their world-renowned senses of smell and hearing. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of canine vision. If you enjoyed this exploration into the sensory world of dogs, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Wildlife Uncovered for more captivating insights into the animal kingdom. As we've journeyed into the captivating realm of canine vision, we've uncovered the remarkable ways in which dogs perceive the world around them. Their dichromatic vision, while different from our own, is but one facet of their sensory experience, a world painted in a rich tapestry of scents, sounds, and movements. So the next time you look into the eyes of your canine companion, remember that they are experiencing the world in a way that we can only imagine, a testament to the boundless diversity and wonder of the natural world.